So I really encourage and support people, older viewers who are getting into, say, the Android platform or other technology, because, you know, it's a learning curve for many older folks. Those of us who have aging parents, for example, or grandparents, or even friends that we coach or mentor how to use devices. I do it all the time. Do you guys? Do you coach family members, elderly people getting into technology and YouTube? You know, just as kind of an aside on that point, it's amazing. Just when I introduce people to the YouTube platform, it's so rich. It's so dominant. I'm on YouTube a lot, not just for my channel. I mean, I get education from YouTube. I get news from YouTube. I get entertainment and music from YouTube, movies, watching classic movies. I have not owned a television in, oh man, nearly 20 years. So post your comments below if you're mentoring people in this technology and giving them a heads up on just how expansive YouTube is. When people see like, oh my God, you're finding all that stuff on YouTube, it really opens their eyes to so much, including just streaming music in the background of your day.